Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to send USDT from OKX to OKX. In order to do so, you will have to first launch your OKX mobile application, and then you need to tap on this Assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you just have to do nothing but to just click on this withdraw button in the top. Once done, it will show you all of the cryptos that you own. So among these cryptos, you just have to select USDT. Then it will give you a bunch of different options that you can use to withdraw your USDT from OKX, such as on-chain method, internal method, and fiat. So as you want to send USDT from OKX to OKX, you need to select the second option where you can transfer your crypto instantly with zero fees to OKX users. After selecting it, you will be landed on this page where you need to fill out these details. First, you will have to select the address type. So over here, you will be given a bunch of different options such as a phone number, email address, and sub account. So you just have to select any of these. Then you just have to enter the associated thing with it. For example, if you have selected phone number, then you need to provide the phone number. But if you have selected email address, then you need to provide the email address of the other OKX user. After that, you need to select the amount that you want to send to that person. Then it will show you how much fees you will have to pay. So if you are sending from OKX to OKX user, then it is absolutely free. Then you need to tap on the submit button. After that, your withdrawal will be taken place, and then after waiting for some time, it will be sent to the other OKX user. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.